I got a spoon.
Did you start it?
With this, yeah.
Did you start it, Tree?
Yes.
The struggle.
Can you please leave this in?
Okay. Ready? Set. Go. Hey guys! Shut up! It's all editing. Just smile.
Just smile.
Hey guys! It's Trin.
And Grace.
And Alana!
Our friend Alana. She's our guest star for today. Hey!
I'm about to cry my mascara.
I'm loving that. We have all of our slime supplies today. We're making slime. Sorry for that. Today we are making slime. We have different kinds of slime we can make. We have some foam we can make. We have butter slime, glitter slime, sequin slime. Shut up. And then all of our glue and paint and activator and stuff like that.
Paint to color.
So we have clear. Yeah, great. And we have clear and white glue. What the heck was that?
On your bed.
This is a lot of editing. I'm gonna leave that in. Okay.
Just like the first step. Put it in.
So
I don't understand why I'm laughing though.
Yeah. We have a bunch of different types of glue and everything we can use.
There's temporary paint in there too.
Yeah.
And an unopened Sharpie. I just didn't know that.
Now you know though. The more
I
you
got
know.
a bracelet that I left here.
Okay, so we're gonna start making slime. What are you gonna make? Okay, I'll say mine first. I'm gonna make just clear. I'm gonna make white slime with that's it. I think I'm just gonna make regular white slime.
I want like an actual like slime, but do that thing where you like put it in and blow it up.
Okay, so she wants a regular white slime too, just like a little sticky.
More sticky.
What do you want?
I'm still thinking about it.
Can you put glitter in there?
You can. I think it'll still be sticky. But it has to just be more sticky.
So
we
still
can't make a
thinking
lot
about
of glue, a lot of slime because we don't have a lot of glue all around. Like we kind of just have like less than half in every single bottle. So I'm just gonna do.
Because we've been making a lot of slime.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna do a little bit. We're all gonna do a little bit. A little bit. So we're just gonna wait here for the glue to come out.
Here, let me see this.
That's good. Or do you want that or clear glue?
I'll take clear.
Okay, I'll give it more. Yeah, really. Here is clear glue. This is what I mean.
I'll take it. I'll take it.
So
here's the clear glue.
It's just clear glue.
Yeah.
Same as the white glue, just clear.
Yeah. This is very simple.
Real YouTube. This is what real YouTube is. People cut up their stuff, make all the slime. I ain't doing that. We're just keeping it real.
Oh
No one puts in the glue struggles to get it out of the bottle. No one does that.
no! So,
Some people do.
I'm
not saying
having a
that.
hard time right here trying to get the lid off, but you know.
Comment down if you want me more videos.
Because I don't want them to know where I live.
Are they moving?
So, yeah.
Far away from me. You know there's more than one part there, right?
Yes, I know. It's just a stick though.
Anyway. So, some glue got on the table, but you know, that's what happens when you make slime. But
I think you got all that you can. I'm gonna start making my slime. So first,
You're wrong because look, there's glue right there.
I'm gonna put in some slime activator, which is, if you didn't know, when you have eye contact solution, which I recommend highly don't. Oh, I just put
Don't
myself in
use
the air.
borax.
Don't use borax, because it's not
Unless
good
you
for
want
you.
seizures.
Yeah, really. And so when you have eye contact solution, though, you need an activator. So either you need shaving cream or baking soda and water.
Not
So
with
this
clear
is-
glue though, because that'll just mess your whole
Yeah,
slime up.
no shaving cream included. But this is baking soda and water mixed together, slime activator,
And some eye contact solution.
No, there's no eye contact solution in it. Some people put eye contact solution in it. I don't. I just put the
We
baking
put it in
soda.
after we put the activator in.
So then I just I mix that
How much of that can I put in?
as much as you think.
What makes it more sticky? That's more.
It doesn't really matter how much you put in there. It matters how much eye contact solution you put in. So that's good. Probably. I think I put a lot in mine, but you know, it's whatever. Make mistakes. Alright, so once it's all mixed up, then you're going to put your eye contact solution in. So I'm just going to put
There's a
little
hair
bit.
in mine already.
A little
Me
bit
too.
for now, and it's going to start to coagulate.
I put in a lot, a little bit.
That's not good.
I the
Doing it really
eye contact solution.
I just put in a little bit. Do you want more if you want it sticky, or less if you want it sticky?
Okay, so,
I think I still need more, but it's coming together. It's coming together. Here.
I think I need more.
Here it is. I don't know if you can see it, but it's starting to come together.
mine is starting to come together too. It's kind of jiggling around the bowl right now.
So is
but
mine. I think
I'm
I put
mixing it. Just keep mixing it. That's like the whole
I
thing about
keep-
slime. Just knead and mix.
I keep mixing it. I keep mixing it until
Alright,
all
so
the
see,
glue is
mine is-
out of the bowl.
Yeah, mine is coming together and like staying on the straw. So that's when you know it's okay to pick it up. Well, pretty much okay to pick it up.
even more.
It's right there.
So
It's
I
kind of
just
sticky to my fingers, but it's working.
keep mixing it. See, look,
Some people
it's
like
stuck to the straw.
I want it sticky, but not too sticky.
Yeah, some
I
people like
like-
sticky slime. Some people don't.
I like mixing it with a straw. No clue why, but
This is like milky slime.
so here's my slime
Do you think it's okay to pick up?
right now. Make sure the table or floor, whatever you're making it on, and you're like kneading it and stuff, make sure it is clear for you do not get hairs in your slime.
There you go.
So make
Just keep
sure
mixing.
make sure your surface is clear to put your slime on.
Just keep mixing no matter what. Just keep mixing.
I'm trying to talk over here.
And I'm trying to make
great.
slime over
Yeah.
Anyway, make sure your surface is clear to make slime.
It's good. It'll catch it all. Just mix. There you go. Now you can probably like poke it like this.
So,
I kind of don't have any elbow room, but that's okay.
Yeah, I don't either.
Alright.
Only on the outside because like it's on the outside.
so here it is. What it looks like.
I hope the camera's still recording.
Yeah, can you go? I feel like it's not.
It's a mission to get out. I'm hoping it is. I think it would turn off by now if it wasn't. Yes, it is still recording.
Anyway, so here it is. It's like not sticking to the bowl at all. So I'm gonna actually.
Oh
start-
my god.
What?
Have I been out of frame the whole time?
I've been in the frame.
Okay.
Am I in the frame?
Yeah, it was probably
Yeah,
just
you're
on
in the
you.
frame.
No, now because you moved it.
No, you're still in the frame. I might have been out of the frame the whole time, and if I have, then
Sorry.
Anyway,
Anyway,
sorry if I have.
So I'm
And
gonna start
I've just been
playing
a
with it.
voice on the side, like.
So I'm gonna start playing with it now because it looks like it is done.
Look at it.
I need more of this.
So I'm putting it on the table. Make sure your surface is clear before doing it.
So this is my slime right now. All right, camera's back on. It's
recording?
shut off. Yeah.
Okay,
Shut off.
continuing.
There we go.
All right. This is making really good noises right now.
Put some glue in that.
If it turns off again, guys, we will see you in the next video. But if it doesn't, then let's continue.
So I'll have the glitter, please. Thank you. Alright, so now I'm gonna add the glitter. I'm just gonna spread it a little bit and then add the glitter and start mixing it. Oh yeah, that glue is hard to get out. So I'm just spreading the slime out before I can put the glitter in and knead it. I'm gonna have
It's hard to
sparkly.
get out.
I'm definitely gonna have sparkly.
Oh, can I put paint in?
Yeah.
Paint. I said temporary. It's not temporary.
Yeah, I don't know why it says temporary.
Do I just pour it in there and then mix it?
So I didn't put too much because I don't
just
want
fold it over
it
it.
to get crazy.
Is that toffee good?
Probably not, but you can just fold that in.
Yeah, I'll put more for you.
So I'm just mixing this in because I want it clear and sparkly and pretty. My slime is gonna be awesome because it's gonna have everything in it.
Yeah, and this is not coming out easy. But you know what? We're gonna rock it.
That glue is hard to get out.
Yeah, this glue is so thick, guys. If you haven't like made slime with glitter glue,
Oh
This
wow!
is my
Your
first
hands
time
are
making
getting sparkly.
is it? Well, I learned that. It's Alana's first time making slime. Congratulations! Welcome to the horror club.
Horror club.
No, I'm just kidding. But it's really fun to make slime.
I'm
At
adding a little bit
moments.
more
At
because
moments.
I want it a little more glittery. So
It's more.
I might be out of the shot a little
I
bit,
just
but
did.
that's okay.
no, you're not. I looked.
I am a little bit.
You're fully in. I think I might be a little bit.
I'm in it.
I'm in it.
Yeah,
you're
Alana's
in it.
definitely in it.
At least someone you can see.
Completely.
Make sure you show them your slime.
I'm putting paint in it to make it purple.
Yeah, if you don't have food coloring, just use paint. It'll work.
It works the same. Honestly, I think it works a little better, honestly.
It makes it more colorful. Like if she used food coloring, it would probably look a little darker.
I think I'm gonna put more paint in. Or do you think this is good?
So this is really nice right
It's
now.
a good color, but if you want it more vibrant, you
Okay.
can add more.
Let's do this slime for you.
So I'm gonna show them out. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's a
just farted. I didn't. It did.
I thought you said I just farted. I was like,
I said it just
what?
farted.
and so Alana wants to take my slime, but you know.
I would do.
Yeah, I wasn't joking.
So this is how pretty it is. Oh, there's Alana. This is all the glitter in it.
Is that how you make that blue slime with you?
Oh my gosh, the camera's like dying. It's dying.
Oh, well, if it dies, guys, thank you for watching this video, and we'll see
Make
you
sure
again
you like
soon.
it. Make sure you
like,
subscribe. Make sure you comment down below what's your favorite slime out of all of these.
Yeah, I just still need to mix mine.
Comment down below.
Live.
Comment down below who's
Wait,
the
does that
winner
make it more sticky?
and
What?
Context.
who do you think
Like,
had
it's
the
not
best
sticky.
slime. And comment down below what video do you want us to do next.
Okay, so I'm gonna mix my slime.
So here it is. Yeah, it's really sparkly. I don't know if you can see that. Look. Okay.
Grace, move your slime. It's my turn.
Okay. So
There's
yeah,
my slime.
very sparkly.
Grace, you moved it.
What?
You did.
Very sparkly. Now I'm not even in the shot,
Ooh,
but
should I add
whatever.
glitter in it?
I'm gonna stretch it. Whoa! That's cool. I am mixing these. It looks kind of like toothpaste.
Oh, that looks so pretty.
Ow, I hit my head.
Alana hit her head bad today.
I hit my head under the table before the video started.
She went under the table and came up and hit her head.
It hurt though.
She started laughing and she was like, it didn't hurt.
This table's like a play table, pretty much. I guess you could say. Look how glittery.
Ah!
This is a very like baby blue. Alana's gonna steal everyone's slime.
So
I'm just
here
gonna
it
mix all of
is.
the slimes. Like I'm gonna. Let me see the clear glue. Did you use it all?
No.
I'm gonna mix clear glue with it too, cause why not?
Alright,
I want
so-
clear glue in mine too.
So I'll take some sequins.
Ooh, sequins. Okay, so where's the sequins? I put them out right there. They're right there.
Where are they? I can't see it.
There's like none left.
It's fine. I don't even want to know it. So now
Oh
I'm
my god.
spreading it to
Can I
sequins
glue?
in. Yeah, that glue is really thick. So if you're wondering where we got this glue and stuff from, you can get it anywhere. But we got it from Michael's.
We got it from Michael's. We got the styrofoam beads from Michael's.
Yeah, if you want the styrofoam beads, go to Michael's. Probably will be there. We went to Walmart, didn't have them, but we got some glue at Walmart too. We have like a lot
You
of
should
things.
have got a gallon of glue at Walmart.
Yeah, we saw it there. It was like for like $11 or something like that. At Michael's, it was $18. I was like, why? It's the same size. Doesn't make sense.
Alright, so
And it was the same brand too, so I don't get it.
I put all the sequins in there. So yeah.
I'm just gluing.
And then I'm gonna add some foam beads.
Here we go. There's my clear glue.
Why not?
Slime.
You know,
Clear slime. Clear
you just
glue.
want to make your slime crazy and
You
people
want to make it you.
You.
You want to make it something you want to play with.
you just want to make it crazy and other people will be like, wow, that's like the best slime I've ever seen.
Maybe not.
Okay, so here's the clear glue slime. I just made it. I'm gonna mix it in. It's not clear because, like, obviously with the bubbles and stuff making it, but I'm gonna add it into the like baby blue.
I'm stealing this from you, so
What?
I'm stealing this slime for you because I like it.
Oh wow. Thanks. It's gonna have like all different textures. Okay, so I'm mixing the clear glue with it. Can't really
How do
see
you
if
like
it's
it?
good, but it's right there.
It's nice.
Sorry to the people that came for like ASMR sounds, because this is not ASMR sounds.
Sorry for the people who didn't want me to be in the video. Sorry about your luck.
Yeah, really. Okay,
Um,
so it's more.
I'll take some foam beads. I'm making my slime crazy over here.
Okay, so it's like baby blue, but it's just a different texture a little bit. Like that.
Alright, so I'm adding some foam beads because I just want my slime crazy.
Again, if the camera shuts off, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and comment what videos
Who
you want us
won?
to do. And who won? Which slime do you like better? Show
Mine.
everyone, just show slimes right now,
Hold
no
on,
matter
I'm
how it looks
I'm
like.
not done yet. I gotta
No
mix
matter
this
how
in.
it looks.
Just
Well, mine's like this, but it's purple and glittery. It
done.
doesn't like that.
So,
Mine's gonna win because
for-
it's a mix of every slime.
For slime 1, for my slime, put slime 1. For Alana's slime,
With slime 2.
And
and
for
then-
my slime, put slime 3.
so
Personally, I like Shred's better,
But
but for my first time making slime, I say I did a pretty good.
when I'm done, I'm gonna show you guys. Just say number 3 because it's amazing. Don't say number 2. Don't say number 1.
Don't say number 3.
yeah, really don't. That's a mistake.
Personally,
Alright, we're back. The camera.
the camera's
Shut
being
off.
stupid.
Yeah, it's being weird. Like, it keeps shutting off. This type of camera shuts off like every 10 minutes. Like every 5 minutes it shuts off for some reason. So mind that, all the cuts and stuff. If you're wondering what those cuts are, that's that.
It's the camera's fault, not ours.
It's not her fault, don't blame me.
She can leave it on my mistakes. It's funny.
Okay, so here's the slime. The white slime I just made to add into that.
You need to put more blue in it. Do you have blue paint?
Blue paint?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should go.
I don't know where it is though. But I like it though. It's like naturally baby blue.
Yeah.
But it's gonna make it like less blue if I put this in.
Yeah.
Because it's not blue.
So I'm gonna make mine clear, but with a little bit of purple.
So maybe this will be a different slime I'll mix. So this is
But
my
I
first
think
slime.
it could still take some foam
This is my
beads.
first slime. It's like baby blue, putty-ish, but slime at the same time.
Are you gonna make another
Very
foam?
stretchy.
This is my first slime. It's not very stretchy, but it's good enough.
It's good enough.
And it's purple with glitter, and then I added some clear glue just for more slime.
So you know, that's what I was going for. I was going for a putty, not a slime.
A putty.
Mine's more of a putty.
I think I'm gonna add styrofoam beads and clay to this, even though it's so tiny.
So mine is a beautiful putty, kind of.
Clear
It's
glue
kinda
is so
ugly.
much more runny than like
This
regular
glue.
glue.
So now I'm
Pasito, pasito, suave, suavecito.
Shh, copyright.
I'm Justin Bieber.
I know, but I can't sing it.
copyright. You said Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber, sign me to your next record deal.
Oh my god. No.
Anyway, I'm putting more foam beads because I just feel like it.
I'm gonna make
Now
it
you're gonna
clear.
get comments like, she can't sing.
I don't care.
It's a joke.
I know I can't sing. It's not something I'm proud of.
It's not my favorite thing about me.
I mean, singing is just for fun. It doesn't have to be good.
Yeah. I'm good singing, dude.
There wasn't any. I mean, there's some, but I can't get it up. I'm just using a little bit.
Hi. Mine slime.
I want to make a clear one and put the foam beads in it.
Yeah, I
Like
did that
me?
before with the one up.
Just without the sequins.
Yeah.
The glitter actually makes it cool.
I just need more glue.
There's a little bit in
So
there.
I'm adding more foam beads
Like, it's
because.
still running down the bottle.
That's why I'm adding foam beads because I just want to.
Cuz.
I don't care no more. I don't care if I win. I don't care if I don't win. I really don't care.
I just
have
did this
fun.
video to make slime so I could play with it not to win a competition.
Yeah,
Oh, nice. The
Alana
truth,
came
the truth
right?
comes out.
and she was
I
like,
didn't mean to your house. I didn't come just to play
Yeah, I
with
know.
slime. but-
The video. The video is for slime though, so really,
I mean, I hope I win, but I don't have to win. I mean, I'm not gonna get all butthurt over it.
these foam beads look like pearls.
Okay, so here is the clear slime.
Let me see.
Yeah, that's all I can add a bottle.
Oh my gosh! Foam beads went everywhere. Alright, so we're gonna cut off the camera for we could clean up.
We're not done yet.
No.
I'm just kidding. It was just that one on my legs. It just went on my legs.
Better, because I ain't cleaning it up. Can I see the foam bead? I got it.
Bleed.
The foam bleeds.
I know.
I'm gonna use this clay.
Clay.
I only need a little bit though. I don't even.
What if you made butter slime with foam beads?
That's what she's doing.
That's what I'm doing.
Why do you think she got clay and the foam beads?
I don't know. She's making like 20 slimes over there.
No, I only made 2.
I only
And I'm
got
stealing
one.
one of them.
I only got
So
one.
one of them's for me. If it makes you feel any better.
This is what happens when you have a little bit of glue. left
I'm
in a
making
different
another one,
bunch,
by the way.
like a bunch of different glues, and you just mix them all together.
Alright, this is pretty cool.
I'm the master at slime. I've been making slime longer than both of these.
Yeah.
This is my first time.
Yeah, that's
so
a lot.
Yesterday
So give me
was
some slack, okay?
yesterday was my first time making slime. So
I've been making slime for a while.
A couple weeks now.
You know.
I've been doing it for a day now. So
I've been doing it for like 20 minutes now.
However long this video is now.
The whole video
So
is
here's
the
clay-ish butter slime. It's a butter slime right now it is
But she's gonna
with
put.
a little bit of clear glue.
I'm gonna copy you for this one because that adds more. I don't like this. Why are you pulling these towards me?
It's a very nice open house. Listen.
How much clay do I
You
take?
probably can't hear it, but
How much was that?
yeah, it can't be bigger than the slime.
It's not.
Now I'm gonna add some styrofoam beads. Just a little bit though. No, I can't with these styrofoam beads. They get everywhere.
Yeah.
Like everywhere.
You should see the floor.
Yeah, really, the floor is like covered in them. Because I didn't have time to clean them up yesterday because I had class today. So
Driver's ed.
driver's ed. So I couldn't.
Trent is
Don't
years old.
say. I was gonna say don't say my age.
She's old enough for driver's ed.
I'm old enough for driver's ed.
She's
That can really range from 14 through 18. It can range.
Trent's
so.
20 years old.
Yep.
She's older
I was
than
thinking
all of
What
us.
do I say? I'm old. I am older than all of you, but I am 20 years old.
She is years old.
I am years old.
She is.
Beep years old.
She is older than me, and I'm old. So I'm a vampire actually. So
She's 200 years old.
no, I'm actually 365 years old.
Where'd you get that from?
I just thought of the days of the year. I was like, that's how many years old I am.
Anyway,
I was born in the late 1700s.
Jeez, you'd be really old. Not you'd be dead. That's what you'd be.
No, I'm a
but she's
vampire.
a vampire.
Yeah, no, in human years though, you'd be dead.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like long dead. Like a while ago.
Bye. Can I put paint in this one?
Yeah. I don't know what would happen, but I could.
I'm gonna try it.
Mine's turning out okay. It's turning into like a bad putty.
Nice.
Probably.
Foam beads are going everywhere.
I'm gonna have paint all over my hands, but I don't care.
I don't care.
No, it takes it off when you play with it. It takes it off.
I don't
Oh
care.
god.
No, I
You
mean
know what?
like
It
right
doesn't
now.
really even matter because there's styrofoam beads everywhere anyway.
I have to clean your room anyway.
Yeah. I have to sweep anyway, so.
She lives by herself. She lives with her and her sister. That's how old she is. You live by yourself, don't you? You and Grace live by yourself.
Oh yeah. Well, I live by
She's
myself.
my mom, but not.
No,
No,
that's not. That's
No, this is
No.
weird.
She's her sister, but Grace is coming to visit
But she takes care of me.
when she visits.
No, I don't. Forget you. No, I'm kidding.
This didn't really work.
No.
Look at my hands.
That didn't do anything.
The clay's like, no, I ain't absorbing that.
Nope. Think again.
We were preparing for a video, and Alana was saying something about, I don't know if you know this lady, but it's this girl where she this like makeup, and she put her like liquid eyeliner,
I'm gonna make
picture of liquid eyeliner, and she put it like up here. I don't know if it was fake or not. But,
Recording.
okay, so come back
Here's
over
my
here.
slime. Has sequins and foam beads, and it's purple.
All right, come sit down.
I don't want to. My legs cramping up.
Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. Sorry for outroing the video so many times. We thought the camera was going to die, but apparently not. It made it through. So please like, comment, subscribe. Let us know in the comments below if you guys like which slime you like better. 1, 2, or 3. 1 being me, 2 being Alana, and 3 being Grace.
This slime is the best.
And on round 2, it's between me and Trins because Grace didn't make another slime. But this is my.
Because they were rushing me.
It's just kind of like a clay one. with some purple paint.
Yeah, she tried to make
Mine's a
purple.
Floam.
A Floam clay.
Yeah.
Mine's a Floam sequins purple clear slime.
Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys later.
Bye.